As we've talked about alignment and proximity, it's helpful to have our text and our images aligned in such a way that it makes it easy and clear for the learner to understand what information we're trying to communicate. One of the tools that I make use of all the time, and one of my favorite tools in PowerPoint, is what's called SmartArt. So you can access a SmartArt by either using the title and content layout and selecting the SmartArt, or you can go under your Insert and click on SmartArt. What you'll have is you'll have different options, so you can do lists, and as you click on them, you'll see a brief description of what each means. It's a very helpful way to organize your information and do relationships or do a process. So for this assignment, what I'd like you to do is simply select any of the SmartArt graphics and then customize the text. Maybe we'll make this 1, 2, 3. So you do not need, the text does not matter. I just want to see that you've added some text and you understand how to change the text. Another thing I'd like you to do is under your styles that appear, I want you to simply select and change the style to something else and change the colors. This is a helpful way for you to organize your thoughts, and you see that we very clearly have a nice 3-step process that will explain the process to go through something. Feel free to experiment and play with the different designs. One of the things that's also nice about SmartArt is that once you have it in one design, it's easy to change to other designs.